I'm Carnella, and we chose PICO to start remodeling and updating our home because we felt like it had become really outdated and that we just needed it to have a more refreshed look. So my husband Bob was doing some research, trying to find out who did we want. And we really wanted to go with somebody that was an individual instead of a large company that shared our same values and that we could support. My husband contacted Wes. After we met with Wes, we hadn't talked to anyone else. We just felt really comfortable that this is the company we wanted to go with, and we felt that they had our best interest in mind and that we wouldn't want to go with anyone else. And we had that opportunity to look and talk to other people. But just the relationship that we had with Wes in that first meeting made us feel comfortable enough to decide Wes was the one and PICO was the one that we wanted to go with. So when we were going through this whole process, people were here every day and it was random people and I didn't know who all of them were, but they were all so very kind and it just really helped. And I really appreciated all the people that worked here, working with us so diligently, just really giving it all and always having a very upbeat attitude. Couldn't have asked for better attitudes when I was stressing out. Just them being so upbeat and saying we're going to get it done, it was reassuring to me. I would recommend PICO if you really want to have that family feeling and know that the people are going to be here, they're going to be so positive about what you want to do and to help you realize what you can do and to just make that work for you is why I would pick them. And I'm glad we did pick them. Give PICO a call for your project. We absolutely love them, and so will you.